This model kit review is of the Supermarine Attacker, and this is one of the jet fighters. This is a 1/48 scale model by Classic Airframes, and this is going to have some resin injected parts. I don't really see any other pictures. Let's have a look inside. So these plastic sprues, most parts have been taken off. These looks like probably our flaps here. And the molding quality is pretty good. Let's have a look at this sprue here. Here's our instrument panel. Again, pretty good molding quality. Looks like probably wheels. Landing gear parts here. And wheel well covers. Here we have our fuselage pieces. These are all recessed panel and rivet lines. Fair amount of surface detail. Same on the other side. Here we have the underscoop, also fairly well molded. And this looks like this is part of our nose with the cockpit. And fairly well molded. We do have something, this is probably for the nose wheel. And then we have our wings. Those have some mold lines, as you can see there, but otherwise pretty reasonable molding quality. And not really much detail on the wheel well. Same thing with the other side. Other parts of the flaps, I guess. Here's our stabilizer and elevator. And our ducted fan air intake. We do have some photo etched parts. Looks like seat belts and probably the turbine fan. We have a number of resin parts. Before we look at that, let's look at our canopy here. That's fairly well molded. This must be our cockpit. And as you can see there, we've got a good level of detail there. It looks like one piece is broken off. That's probably this piece right here. Here is our ejection seat. And the exhaust, also some very nice detail there. This must be the holder for the ejection seat. We'll have to look at the instructions there for that. We have a piece here, which I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe part of the cockpit. Landing gear. And our guns. This will need to be cut off there. And here are our wheels. These have been cut off and sanded already. Need a little bit more to make them smooth. Let's have a look at our decals. Decals are nicely printed, and some level of detail there. And then next is the instructions. So these are the parts listing. do put the cockpit and injection seat together. Next is going to be the body parts and fuselage. That all goes together with the cockpit inside. And here's the tail pieces going together, including the engine and looks like a tail wheel. Then the stabilizer. Next, the wings. And then the landing gear and the lower bulge. And that's it. So even though there's not a lot of parts here, there's still a fair amount of work that has to be done. And the photo etch parts and resin can make it difficult. Here are our decal and painting guide. Here's another option. This is the Pakistani Air Force and some of the other decals. Here's another option. So all in all, fair level of detail with the resin and photo etch parts, and should be an interesting one to build.